an afternoon on a rainy day. It's raining heavily. Ginny wanted to record the video of such a rainy day and the beautiful sound of raindrops. First, since she wanted to appear in the video, Ginny filmed in front of a green screen. Her friend told her to do so, but she didn't know why. They say green or blue is easy to remove from the background. Ginny sat down in front of her computer and opened Davinci Resolve. This program was like a magic box for video editing. She first dragged the footage shot with the green screen onto the timeline. Now, it was time to work some magic. Ginny clicked on the Fusion tab at the bottom of the screen. The Fusion page seemed like a place for complex spells, but she knew she'd get used to it. On the Fusion page, Ginny pressed Shift plus Space to open the tool selection window. She then searched for and added Delta Keyer. The Delta Keyer was a special magical tool for making green backgrounds transparent. Ginny connected the Delta Keyer node to the video clip node. Now it was time to tell the Delta Keyer which color to remove. She selected the Delta Keyer node and clicked the eyedropper tool next to quote background color in the inspector panel. With the eyedropper, she clicked on the green background in the preview window. To her surprise, the green background instantly vanished, leaving only Ginny's figure clean and clear. It was as if a magic eraser had been used. When viewed in matte mode, it appears in black, gray, and white, and Ginny made delicate adjustments to remove the gray, creating a perfect result. Now, behind the transparent background, she could place any beautiful universe, mysterious forest, or any scenery that matched her music. Ginny added a new background and marveled at how wonderfully the video had transformed. Ginny could now create her music videos with more freedom and creativity. Her music, combined with visual magic, would reach more people. With Davinci Resolve, any imagination could become a reality.